Hello there, and welcome back to another Altburg Market painting session. Today we'll be painting the pretzels, breads, and other pastries to complete the baker stall. We'll also share tips on mixing and creating realistic hues, and we'll use the glazing technique to give our pastries a crisp appearance. Let's mix, paint, and bring these delicious treats to life. While we paint, we'll explore how to create realistic hues that bring our miniatures to life with vivid detail and depth. Understanding how colors interact is fundamental. Primary colors, red, blue, and yellow can be blended together to create secondary colors such as orange, green, and purple. Further mixing these secondary colors with primary colors gives you tertiary colors, expanding our palette and allowing for more nuanced shades. In the world of miniature painting, we can find many pre-mixed colors to choose from, but it can sometimes be necessary and fun to mix colors to create our own unique hues. When mixing paints to match real-world colors, such as the color of bread, we'll be working with hues, tints, shades, and tones. Hue refers to the base color itself. For bread, this might be a warm brown or beige. It's the core color we'll start with. Shade involves adding black to the base hue, resulting in a darker version of the color. This is useful for depicting the crust or darker regions of the bread. Tone is achieved by mixing the hue with gray, giving the color a more muted appearance. This can help capture subtle variations in the bread's surface, adding depth and realism. Tint is created by adding white to your base hue. This lightens the color, which can be useful for painting areas of bread that catch the light, like the softer interior. We'll repeat the same mixing process to create a base coat color for the croissant. This base color represents the main hue of our model. To adjust this color, add black to darken it, creating shades, or add white to lighten it, creating tints. For more subtle adjustments, the base color can be mixed with other colors to achieve different tones. This time we'll try a different approach by using layering and glazing techniques to enhance realism. We'll apply multiple thin layers of paint to gradually build up colors. This method helps achieve smooth transitions and adds depth. Glazing involves applying a thin, transparent layer of paint over the base color. This technique allows us to adjust hues and create a polished finish. It is especially effective for achieving the rich, translucent effects found in real-world textures. We darken our mixture to gradually recreate the more cooked parts of our croissant. Then we complete the effect with the white glaze to give our pastry a crispy appearance. Let's mix some colors and paint the wooden crate. We'll start with the brown hue for the base coat. While it can be challenging to reproduce the exact color we previously mixed, having variations in tone can add a more realistic appearance and be quite interesting. Shading and highlighting will add depth to our models. When shading, we do our best to use darker colors to emphasize recessed areas. This will help to create contrast and make the details painted in lighter colors stand out. We apply the lighter colors only to raised areas where light would naturally hit for highlights. We'll now use the same approach to paint the baguette breads. Enjoy the cosmic groove. Here's a tip on holding your model while you paint. Blue tack, that versatile sticky putty often used for hanging posters, is also a fantastic tool for holding miniature models while you paint. Simply take a small piece of blue tack and roll it into a ball or flatten it slightly. Then press it onto your model and the object you use as a support. This will provide a stable grip, allowing you to maneuver the model easily without the risk of it slipping or tipping over. Plus, the non-damaging nature of blue tack means you can remove it without leaving any residue. Dry brushing is another technique to enhance our model's appearance. It involves lightly brushing paint onto raised surfaces, which helps to highlight details without covering recesses. Remember, practice is essential. The more you experiment with these techniques, the better you'll understand how colors interact and how to achieve realistic results. We hope you've enjoyed these simple explanations on adjusting hues, tints, shades, and tones. This completes our colorful baker stall. If you liked the video, a thumbs up would be greatly appreciated. Consider subscribing to our channel and feel free to leave us a comment. Your support keeps us motivated. In our next video of the Altburg Market series, we'll start painting the farmer's stall, which should get us in the mood for the ongoing Tabletop World Kickstarter featuring the farmstead. For more details about the Kickstarter, visit Tabletop World's official website or follow them on social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram. We'll include a link to the Kickstarter in the video description. Thanks for joining us today. And as always, keep on painting and take care.